ಏಯ್ ನಗು ನಿಲ್ಸು. ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಕೋತಿ ಕುಣಿತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ? ಓ ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್. ಸರಿ ಬಂದ್ ವಿಷಯ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳು? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
You're watching News Sense. I'm Pratibha Raman here, and we have been all the time talking about stand-up comedians, stand-up comedy, but what does it take for a stand-up comedian in the vernacular space? I have with me Gautam Shravan Kumar, who has actually taken to the Kannada stand-up comedy platform. Thank you so much for joining us, Gautam. And Gautam and I go back a long way, so thank you so much for joining us after ages indeed. So pretty multifaceted. You can speak like Kamal Hassan. I've seen that side of you. You can edit creative videos, but stand-up comedy in the Kannada space.
So when we were in Asianet, you remember there weren't many people who were like ready to face the camera and you know do any sort of anchoring for that matter. So I took that up. And see, deep down, everyone has this desire of appearing in front of camera, right? I just didn't deny it like others do. I didn't deny it, and I took up writing. And since I knew what I was writing, I could perform as well because I understood it well.
ಲೈಕ್ ಜಾಗ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ವೈರಸ್ ಸಾಯುತ್ತೆ.
If you were to be given a chance to get back into anchoring, what would you choose?
I may not want to do that.
Stand-up comedy any day.
Yeah, stand-up comedy over news anchoring. Yes.
Since you're also adept at the editing skills, did that also come in handy, especially in the online space, because you had to edit a lot of these videos and become an Instagram star of sorts?
Oh, I'm not an Instagram star yet, but I aspire to be, not because I want fame or something. See, that is also there. I would like some fame. I won't deny that. But on Instagram, I've often seen that the followers to ticket sales conversion is better than Facebook. So of course, I'm through these reels, what you see that I'm posting every day on Instagram, ID at GSKism, just so that your audience can know. Please follow me. Yes, video editing skills have helped a lot. In fact, so right from the beginning, like when we didn't have our stand-up comedy videos online, we still had to do shows, and we still had to get people to come and watch our shows. And why would they come? I mean, none of us were like really famous, except for one or two in our team. So they would still pull some crowd, but you know, for one person to pull crowd every single time, it cannot be possible. So what I would do is create very short, funny promos with extraordinary, I won't call it extraordinary, with cringe VFX. Online I have seen cringe sells better than quality. For example,
I keep that in mind.
Yeah. For example, Dinchak Puja sells better than any local talented musician here. Correct. So and also since I was into a clickbait headline writing business, so I used some of that skills, you know. So I would start talking about some random current affairs event and somehow connect that to our show happening. No. Our show happening in next 15 or 20 days.
ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. ಕಾರು, ವಾಚು, ಉಂಗ್ರ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು, ನನ್ಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಬೇಕು ಜುಜುಬಿ? ನಿನ್ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಕೊಡು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಕಾರು. ಹುಣಸೆ ಹುಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಂಬೆ ಹುಳಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಡು. ದಿನ ನನ್ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ. ಅವಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಹಾಳಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ. ಸೆಂಟಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನೇನ್ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮೇಳ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಡೀಸೆಲ್
during the pandemic, when we were doing online shows, so I didn't have another actor to act with, so I started doing double acting. Like Like I was the person taking a jug and rubbing it, and there would come out, there would be a genie who is coming out of it, and the
Correct.
genie also would be me.
ಏಯ್ ನಗು ನಿಲ್ಸು. ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಕೋತಿ ಕುಳಿತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ? ಓ ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್. ಸರಿ ಬಂದ್ ವಿಷಯ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳು? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಸರಿ ಹೋಗು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಏಯ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ನನ್ ಮಗ್ನೆ, ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳು. ನಾನ್ ನಿಂದು 3 ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಈಡೇರ್ಸಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ 3 ವಿಶಸ್. ಓ ಹೌದಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮೊದಲು ಈ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ನಿಲ್ಸು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡು. 3 ವಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀ ಆಗ್ಲೇ 2 ಕೇಳಾಯ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಿಲ್ಸೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು. ನಮ್ದುಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಶೋಗೆ 1 ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸು ನನಗೆ. ಅಯ್ಯ ನಿನ್ನ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ 1 ವಿಶ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಶೋ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ? ಏಯ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಗೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾ? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡು, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡು, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
If you have to look at inspiration in the Kannada comedy space, who would that be?
Oh yes, Pranesh sir for sure. And I would say he's the only one. I mean, inspiration doesn't mean I will copy him, but I really like the way he can go on for like hours together without getting tired, and he really knows people's pulse. I mean, his style of course is not imitable, it is very unique, but yeah, there is a lot of inspiration to take from.
You've been Bangalore bred for very long. What is it about Bangalore that you love the most?
I don't love Bangalore so much really. I'm a Mysorean. For any Mysorean to like any other city, it is less likely. So I'm here whenever I get a chance. I go to Mysore. It's been like 17 years since I left Mysore, and I still want to go there. I'm here because I have created this or maybe employment opportunities are more here, and that's the reason I'm here. And it makes sense for me to be here. But otherwise, if you ask me if I really love Bangalore, maybe not. I'm okay being here. I don't hate it, I don't love it. I'm okay being here.
My question is, if you want to emote about Mysore in Kannada, how would you do that?
Oh, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಸೂರು ನಮಗೆ ಚಂದ.
Okay.
ಮೈಸೂರು ದಸರಾ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸುಂದರ, ಹಾಡೇನೇ ಇದೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ದಸರಾ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಅಂತ. ಮೈಸೂರು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಜಾಗ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೈಸೂರಿಗಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Since your audience is so very narrowed down to Kannada centric, does that pose as a challenge because you don't have wider reach?
I don't think so. Not in India for sure. We are too many people. No matter what language I pick. I mean, if I could speak Tulu, I would have done Tulu comedy also, or Tulu content. So Tulu is spoken by less number of people when compared to Kannada, and even in India, even a small percentage of something is large number of people. It's a crowd.
My final question to you, since you also follow trends and current affairs, if there is one issue that you want not just Kannadigas but even India to debate on, what would that be?
Debate.
At least discuss, talk about, highlight.
No, see, this is I have, what do you say, some kind of dilemma here. See, if the issues get solved, it's an advantage to me as a citizen, but disadvantage to me as a comedian. Being very honest. Why? Because if the issues get solved, what will I make content on? So I'll become jobless then. But as a citizen, of course, I'll feel very good because the issues got solved. So yes, currently, yes, of course, the petrol price or the fuel prices are rising, gas prices. We definitely would like it to be solved. Next thing is, of course, to a large extent, I would like all my countries people to be employed, all the employable people be employed. I mean, of the employable age, I would say. So these are the two things that will need to be solved, not just talked about. There should be some action.
On a closing note, can you imitate Kamal Hassan?
See, I don't speak Tamil, so for me, imitation of Kamal Hassan in Tamil may not be so possible. Yeah, here I go. Hi, my name is Kamal Hassan. I have launched a political party by name Makkal Needi Mayam, short form MNM. In Tamil Nadu, we have a long history of keeping very long names and shortening it, like DMK, AIADMK, T Nagar, MNM. MNM must not be confused with Hollywood singer Eminem. It is separate, although I can rap. Makkal Needi Mayam. Yeah.
Really good. Thank you so much. This is true entertainment.
Thank you.